Hey guys, Crypto Junior with another video. In today's video, I'm gonna talk about Azure. And we talked about Azure on my Twitter when it was only 0.025 cents. And we did a nice profit because from here, we made around in this area 5.5 or 120% in only one day. One day, guys. So if you are here and you want to stay up to date about new projects, upcoming launches, like and subscribe and push my channel to the 2500 subscribers. Let's get back to Azure because we see now a nice pullback and this gives us opportunities. Do we need to buy Azure right now? That is the question that I'm going to answer in this video. So why do I believe in Azure? So Azure is a wallet application. They are live. They did a fair launch on Pinksale. So it's not with private sales people or anything like that. No. It's a fair launch and everybody had access to the public sale. Azure have a working mobile application that you can download in the App Store and also Android Store. And what else? They offer multi-chain token holdings, multiple pools for staking, real-time data market, and also enchant security and adopt marketplace. You can of course stake, tokenomics, the roadmap. But before I go to the roadmap and other stuff, let's get back to the Twitter because these guys have nice partnerships on board. As you can see, they partnered up with Palm Mind. And if in case you don't know Palm Mind is a project that everybody talked about in 2023 and still doing it. Look at this all-time high. So many people got rich from this one, like 0.02 here, 0.01, and currently we're trading for 63. So people made a lot of profits in this and it's still going higher and higher, and Paul is such a great project. So what can we see? Partnership with Paul. They help them by setting up AI in their Telegram. And what else can we find? Like staking pool, 30% APY for 30 days lock, other partnership with self-offer operations AI, and CoinGecko, MoonPay, also a big one, a big player. MoonPay, 102,000 followers. We're happy to announce we will be integrated with MoonPay. We will utilize them in our wallet. Also very nice. So soon the application of Azure will be available on iOS and Android. And these guys will attend the Token 2049 conference in Dubai this April. There will be more than 5,000 companies, more than 400 side events, and they will go there to network for the Azure wallet. So if these guys make it happen, I expect some nice things for Azure, and if they can roll it out in a decent way, because there is a lot of competition with wallets, but if they can be unique and also when they have the right connections, they can do this. Like, it's all about connections in this space, and let's see how Azure is doing. So let's get back to the chart of Azure. Like, there is a pullback. Price of the pre-sale of the fair launch was 0.01. So we are still above that, like around here, and we are still trading above that. But yeah, like, is it a good buy opportunity? I personally think yes. Why? Because if the team makes it happen, what they promise, we can see way more stuff, like especially with the Google application, onboarding new partnerships, what they are already doing. So I expect they know what they are doing. Also another partnership with 0x Scans AI and many more things like Intel, Ignite, OpenAI. Yeah, so these guys are well connected. So I expect they're also well funded to run this project for a longer period. It's always important to zoom out when you see a chart like this. Yes, of course, it looks very scary on a 3-minute time frame. But if we do 1 hour, it also looks scary. But if I check out another project, if you go to Shiba Inu as an example, and we go to the real beginning, like in the real beginning, when we get back in time to Shiba Inu in the beginning, this is the Shiba Inu chart. And when we zoom in on the Shiba Inu chart, we see this. Like, you can only see this. We are currently here at the bottom, like at the bottom, like the real bottom. And we check out that the Shiba Inu chart, it was going upwards and now it's going down. But when we start zooming out, we can see that there is way more potential. Imagine you bought Shiba Inu here and you sold it here, and then it does like this, like it going up. And of course, the bear market came and we're going down. So you need to take profits along the way. When you have profits, take them. Secure your bag, like secure your investment, but don't hold to the moon. Like, we are here to make profits, of course. But that's the case with also with Azure. They just started some days ago. Like, for real, like 5 March, 2 days ago. We cannot say, oh, it's a bad chart. No, these guys are still working and expanding the partnerships, and that's what we need. We need to have more partnerships. We need to have more audience for Azure, and I still holding my back. Like, I sold a little bit of profit in here. I took out my initial, so I have a free moon bag right now, and yeah, I'm now waiting for the product. With taking out my initial, I don't have stress. Like, when I take out my initial and we go more down, yeah, I had profits, but I have diamond hands in that because I can keep holding, because I keep believing in the product. And if Azure will roll out the product to more and more people, guess what the price is doing? Going more higher and higher and higher. So again, guys, if you're still here, like and subscribe to my channel if you stay up to date. 2.4 thousand subscribers, and you could be one of them, of the 2,500 guys. So like, subscribe, and I see you in the next one. Bye bye.